Campus to Jobs brings you placement readiness workshops to your college. These workshops are designed to prepare the outgoing students for placement. As we all know, there is a huge gap between students' understanding of the corporate world and what exactly works in a placement drive or interview. These workshops address this problem right on. A day-long, rigorous and participative workshop quickly prepares the students for a successful placement season and better jobs. At the end of this workshop, the students will be able to write, edit and customize their resumes for an upcoming placement, properly dress, groom and carry themselves with confidence, answer questions appropriately and lead the conversation in their favor, have a useful LinkedIn profile, which is their online resume, lead a group discussion confidently. In short, they will be ready for job applications, interviews, group discussions, and finally a successful placement in a company of their choice. To understand this better, let's look at the workshop structure. The workshop will be around 8 to 10 hours long. First 2 to 3 hours will be classroom style training and preparing the students. Students will prepare notes, both physical and mental, to get ready for the practice sessions. Final 6 to 7 hours will be a practical training with mock interviews and repeated practice sessions. These sessions will be participative and will involve all the students to practice and participate. Each one will get a personalized feedback for future preparation. The workshops can be customized as per requirement with a prior discussion with us. This workshop leaves the students with fresh and decisive preparation for upcoming interviews and placement process. Something about us. Campus to Jobs is an initiative by Zain Khan, and the current workshop model is actually a successful course condensed into a workshop. This course ran for 4 years with Birla Institute of Management Technology, BIMTECH, Greater Noida, benefiting hundreds of students. The course was of 15 hours of intermittent classes spread over few weeks. Our workshop model is a crash course aimed at saving time and providing the same benefit at a much lower cost. More about the trainer. Zainul Abidin Khan or Zain Khan is a mechanical engineer turned recruiter and has been into recruitment and related businesses for more than 23 years out of his 32 years of total work experience. He has worked with renowned agencies like ABC Consultants, Randstad, CLHR, etc. He was also heading recruitment and staffing for McDermott, an oil and gas projects company. Zain has been a trainer, entrepreneur and an author with a book Bouncing Back from a COVID Layoff published in 2021. We are confident that this workshop will not only practically prepare the students to get successfully placed but also raise their enthusiasm and confidence. For available dates, call us on 7042 322 355 or write to us on campus@campustojobs.com.